There's a lot of talk about needing to be flawless when trying to build your personal brand, curated, always polished, and never showing weakness. But guess what? That's a lie. And worse, it's the fastest way to burn out and lose yourself in the process. If you ever feel like you're putting on a show just to be noticed, like you're following every trend, crafting the perfect post, yet still struggling to stand out, it's exhausting, and deep down, you know it's not sustainable. The worst part, people could tell when you're not being real. Now, imagine building a brand that's 100% you. No pretending, no fake perfection, just a real, unfiltered version of yourself that actually connects with people. Sounds freeing, right? Well, it is. And I'm about to show you how to do it. I know the story about this guy named Alex. Alex spent years trying to copy the biggest influencers, curated posts, scripted captions, chasing every new trend. But despite all the efforts, engagement was flat. Frustrated, Alex finally decided to do something different, share the real struggles, the mistakes, the behind the scenes moments. And guess what? That's when everything changed. People connected. The more real Alex became, the more his audience grew. That's the power of authenticity. So here's three solutions on how you can do this. Solution number one, clarity beats perfection. If you want to build a personal brand without losing yourself, the first step is clarity. Define your core values. What do you stand for? What do you absolutely not stand for? Don't chase every trend. Focus on what truly matters to you. People don't want perfection, they want realness. Solution number two, your story is your superpower. Your journey and wins and losses is what makes you unique. Share it. Let people see the struggles, the moment of doubt, the lessons learned. That's what builds trust. That's what makes people relate to you. Your story isn't just content, it's your greatest asset. Solution number three, show up consistently. Authenticity isn't about one-time thing. Authenticity isn't a one-time thing. You have to show up consistently in your own voice without overthinking it. Perfection kills progress, so just start. Keep showing up, keep sharing, and let people connect with the real you. So let's recap. Clarity beats perfection. Your story is your superpower, and showing up consistently is key. If you're tired of faking it and want to build a personal brand that actually works, start by being you. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more. And in the comments, tell me what's one thing you're afraid to share but know would connect with your audience. Let's get real. Talk soon.